Hello guys, welcome back. I'm uploading this video in English language on my YouTube channel Delify Dental Clinic. I'm your dental surgeon Dr. Akshay. Now today I'll be explaining about steps in root canal treatment. So first, if we talk about root canal treatment is a procedure in which we clear all the nerve and blood vessels in tooth, which is called as dental pulp. Why we clean this? Because when the tooth decay reaches the dental pulp, ideally there are three layers of teeth: enamel, dentin and pulp. When the tooth decay reaches the pulp layer, then we have to do root canal treatment. In this case, patient feels pain and swelling, sometimes only pain, followed by sensitivity to hot or cold liquid. So if we talk about root canal treatment, this is a 5-step procedure which is done under local anesthesia. That means you will feel no pain at all. Sometimes little pain can be felt whenever there is little swelling and abscess. So what are the steps of root canal treatment? First step, we got the infected tooth. You can see in the picture below. Infected tooth have cavity and decay, which is starting from the enamel, white layer, then yellow layer, then red layer is the infected pulp. When the infected pulp is there, abscess formation starts. So our first step will be an opening made in tooth, which is made by dental drill. In this, we first open the pulp chamber. Then in second step, we do the biomechanical preparation or tissue removal and cleaning, which is done by endophiles and endomotor. In tissue removal and cleaning process, we do biomechanical preparation, which is done using endodontic files and endomotor and with copious irrigation of normal saline or intracanal irrigants. Then we have a fourth step. So when we are done with the intercanal irrigation and biomechanical preparation or cleaning and shaping of the root canals, we need to fill the root canals with biocompatible material, which is gutta percha points or GP points. So we fill the root canals with the gutta percha points, which we coat with the intercanal sealers. Then we do the sealing part, which is followed by temporary restoration over the GP points. Then we wait for 1 to 2 days or maximum 3 days, depending upon the condition of the tooth. So the fifth step is our core buildup, which is followed by glass ionomer cement or composite restorations. Then you can see here we have a crown over the treated tooth, which is highly compulsory for the patient to get crowning done on their teeth, because after the root canal treatment the tooth becomes a little weaker. So when you opt for the crowns over the root canal treated teeth, you increase the life of your tooth, plus you increase the strength of your tooth. So it is highly advisable by the dentist to get the tooth crowning done. This whole root canal treatment is single sitting procedures in most of the cases. In rare cases, it is 2 to 3 sittings, depending upon the swelling and infection of the tooth. Whenever you are thinking about root canal treatment, don't be scared. Just go to the dentist, have an X-ray, and have a proper good consultation about the whole treatment. Then you proceed for the root canal treatment. So I hope this video was valuable for you all. Usually in the first sitting we do the access opening, biomechanical preparation, root canal fillings or obturation, followed by temporary filling. In the second sitting we do the core buildup with glass ionomer cement or composite restorations. Then we do the crown preparation on the second sitting itself. On the third sitting we can do the tooth crowning done. So in total 3 sittings you can get your tooth root canal treated plus crown over the tooth. So don't worry, if you have any doubts or queries, please comment on this video. So guys, if you find my video helpful, please give a thumbs up. Do comment your queries or inquiries in the comment box. Share my videos so that we can reach out more. Subscribe our channel Delify Dental Clinic. We are just about to complete 3000 subscribers. Do love and support. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.